Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 22nd of October, 2022. I'm going to show you something on the chart that I do not like about Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see that I have a price prediction already on the chart, and the market is not going the way I expected it to go. Now, when these things happen and occur, obviously we need to come in and reevaluate the whole situation and see what's going on. Well, I'm going to talk about that today because I did a video in Bitcoin Cash on October the 11th. All right, so the market was right here when I did the update video in Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see that I was still expecting the price to bounce off of this support area, which is around like $110, $112, and so far we have not received that. See, I'm one that keep the market real, and when it's showing me that the buyers are not coming into the market where I expected them to come in, then obviously I need to come in and reevaluate the situation. So I'm going to do that today because I don't like how the market for Bitcoin Cash is trading below my horizontal line. You guys can see it's right there around $112. The market has been trading below that particular line for a couple of days now, which simply means to me that the buyers are unable to bring the market back up. So you guys can see it. Originally, the market broke this horizontal line on the 13th, and then since then we've been trading below it. That means that the demand, that the interest into the market in Bitcoin Cash, that the buyers simply are not interested. That's the only thing that we can come to the conclusion. We wanted to see it happen, but it just didn't happen. So obviously we need to come in and reevaluate the situation. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction right here. So if we were to get out the market now, we would be down 9%, which it occurs. You will lose in some of these plays, but obviously we will rather lose minimal rather than lose a lot. So let's go ahead and cut that out the way. And then the next thing I'm going to show you is how the market in Bitcoin Cash is still trending down. So we are in a downtrend into the market in Bitcoin Cash. We have to recognize the situation. This is the current problem that's going on for the buyers in Bitcoin Cash. The market is in a downtrend. Now, it doesn't mean that we're going to see a crash. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin Cash is going to plummet. It just simply means that the interest is not here yet. Zooming out of this price chart, you guys can see here that the market in Bitcoin Cash also is creating this support area. So we are going to break one of these lines sooner or later. Which one do you think is going to break? Okay, which one do you think the market is going to break? You think it's going to break this downtrending line, or do you think it's going to break support? Let's look at the chart on a different time frame. This is Bitcoin Cash on a 3-day. And you guys can see it right here that the market currently is giving us indications that buyers are trying to support price. Okay, so the market is not that fast to try to drop. We're not seeing on the 3-day. We're not seeing here on the 5-day chart. Not seeing here on the weekly chart. So I'm not too concerned that the price in Bitcoin Cash is going to plummet. Not yet. But at the same time, the market is not looking to be bullish neither. See, when you get these type of environments into the market, it kind of tells you may just want to hold on. You just may want to wait and let the market continue to give you some signals, some indications as to what's really going on. You guys can see where the market buyers came in and supported Bitcoin's price. It did it there, and it did it again right there around 104. So this is where the buyers are at. We know where the sellers are at. It's pretty much like a wait and see to determine which side is going to break. So I may just continue to let this market trade for Bitcoin Cash and not necessarily come in and put on a price prediction until we see which one of these lines definitely is in jeopardy of being broken for Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so let me see this on the 2-day. Okay, let's get this on the monthly chart. 5 weeks. Okay, so the thing that you can tell in Bitcoin Cash is if we break below this area, like we've been here before on this timeline. Okay, we've been here around 2018 to where Bitcoin Cash was trading around $95 to $100. Okay, cool. We haven't been no lower than that on this exchange in Coinbase. Now, could we have been lower on a different exchange outside of Coinbase? Yeah, we could have been. But looking at the market here, we do not want to see the price in Bitcoin Cash fall below 95, what I would even say $85, $80. Okay, so that is why we're seeing these current price bar, these spreads being so small. Okay, because you can only squeeze so much on the market as it goes down in price. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to drop a price prediction right now in Bitcoin Cash. I just wanted to simply come in and show you what I didn't like and how the market in Bitcoin Cash wasn't trading above my prior area support, which lends us to think that price is weaker than it is stronger. 2, the price you all can visually tell is in a downtrend, so that's another notch for the sellers in the market. We're in a downtrend. And then 3, all of these time frames, we're not seeing any indication that buyers are really trying to move this market higher. So if anything, I would be leaning more towards price in Bitcoin Cash going down. But with that being said, not like a crash, not like a plummet, just simply come back down to these areas of support. Like I said, the first area was already around like 102, 105. My ultimate area is right there around $96. So even though I'm not going to drop on a prediction as to where price in Bitcoin Cash is headed, I'm just simply going to state those things here on this video, try to give you guys an idea as to how the environment currently is and what to look forward to into the future. But hey, what do you think though? Are we going to go higher, lower, sideways? What is your thoughts? Give me your idea. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.